Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So last week, what I observed was, I was doing unboxing of Matchbox cards. I barely got views. I think the maximum number of views I got was somewhere around 200 or 250. So uh, honestly, a lot of people just want to see Hot Wheels unboxing. I'm not sure why is that. Again, both are made by same brand. I mean, same manufacturers. And honestly, if you ask me, compared to Hot Wheels, Matchbox actually has all the details which is necessary for a car. Even for a toy car. So I don't know if you guys know about this, but originally Matchbox cars were designed, to look like the exact replica, of the actual car. But Hot Wheels, on the other hand, it's the opposite. It is supposed to be funky and, most of this design aspects are like, they are aggravated. Okay, so that's the difference between these two brands actually. So, okay, finally I got the Q case mains, and I hope you guys saw my Q case hunt part 1 before this video. So let's start with that. So this is the first one we are going to unbox. This is mentioned as a roadster, but I'm not sure if this is supposed to be an actual car, because this looks like this. There is one Chevrolet we unboxed. It looked similar to that, so I bought it. And to be honest, this actually looked. You can see the chassis detailing and all here. So that just thought of unboxing this and see how this actually looks. And if you guys know what car is this based on, just drop me in the comments. I will pin that one. But the color on this one looked really nice. So as you guys know, I am a sucker for this glittery color. So this one actually has a glittery dark blue that look really nice, so I bought it. Okay, so next one is this one. So the Ford RS 200, and I don't know if I actually have this casting. I don't think so. So this is the first of this particular casting I'm having in Hot Wheels or in any other brand in general. So I bought it. Again, see, these are 179. These are not the revised after GST prices. These are 179 so far. The entire Q case I bought for 179 each. Okay, so this one is the 1983 Porsche 928S. So this one actually looked really nice. I mean, it has this acrylic headlights and everything. So I really want to unbox this and see how this one actually looks in my hand. And okay, so the Mazda RX-3. So I don't know how many of you guys remember this. If you guys are a long-term follower of our channel, you might remember I unboxed this exact casting in white color. That is the Mad Mike version. Long back, I think more than 2 years back. So that I bought that in I don't know, Muscat or Dubai, but it is not in India. I bought that during my trip. So this is that exact casting, but it is just a repaint or recolor, if you may. So one of my favorite casting in this particular case, which is this one, the Chevy Silverado. I do know that I unboxed a Silverado sometime back, but this one I particularly bought because of the paint job and the way they did that vinyl and the pinstriping on this one. The color scheme on this one looks so beautiful, so I bought it. And honestly, this feels really nice compared to the older ones which I unboxed. Okay, so last but not least, new casting for 2025, which is this one, the McLaren W1. You can see here. So I don't know if this is actually fully plastic or this is metal, because the way the light shines on this curves, it feels like plastic. So if you guys are feeling that you are not getting this or something like that, again, don't worry about it. The A, B, C cases, I think I saw a video of C case. C case actually has this exact car in a different color that actually looks more beautiful than this one as well. And again, if you got P case before, and if you are feeling if you need to buy Q case, only few are like new ones in this one. So like the Bentley, that golden color Bentley, and I think the Shelby, I guess maybe one or two is new. Rest everything is just a repeat. And even Q case has everything multiples. This one actually I saw two of this particular car in that case. And same goes for like most of the castings here. Maybe that only the Bentley, and there is one fantasy casting which I will be unboxing next week. That was only one, but that looked really nice with that specific color, and I actually bought it. So that was a really nice one, and again that was only one. So personally, I do collect fantasies, but not so much. Only I just narrowed down to very few. So my favorite ones are El Segundo Coupe, and next to that another one which I'm going to show you guys. So apart from that, I don't see much of new castings in that Q case. Rest everything, even Shelby was two in that case. I didn't buy any Ferraris, guys, so don't expect me to unbox again the same Ferraris. It's just a recolor, that's it. So it has two F40 Competizione and two Stradale and one more Ferrari. That is also F40 if I'm not wrong, or whatever that is. Every Ferrari is 2 in that one, so they are milking the license very well. So don't feel left out if you are not getting the casting right now, because every case is coming with at least 1 or 2 Ferraris. So don't worry about it. So with that said, thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day. Goodbye.